Hello viewers, let's talk about spider plants. How to care spider plants. At first, light. Spider plants prefer bright, indirect light. Avoid exposing them to direct sunlight as it can scorch their leaves. Place them near a window with filtered light or in a well-lit room. Next, repotting. Spider plants produce pups, which are baby plants that grow from the main plant. When the pups are a few inches long, you can gently remove them and repot them in their containers or share them with friends. Repot main plant when it becomes root bound, typically every 2 to 3 years. Next, pruning. Remove any yellow or brown leaves promptly to maintain the plant's appearance and health. Trim long leggy stems to encourage bushier growth. Next, soil. Use well-draining potting soil for your spider plant. A mix of peat moss, perlite, and vermiculite or a commercial potting mix for indoor plants should work well. Next, watering. Allow the top inch of the soil to dry out between waterings. Overwaterings can lead to root rot, while underwatering can cause the tips of the leaves to turn brown. Water your spider plant more frequently during the growing season, spring and summer, and reduce watering during the dormant period, fall and winter. Next, temperature. Spider plants are comfortable in typical indoor temperatures ranging from 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. They can tolerate slightly cooler temperatures but avoid exposing them to cold drafts. Next, humidity. Spider plants prefer moderate to high humidity levels. If the air in your home is dry, especially during the winter months, consider using a humidifier or misting the plant occasionally. Like and subscribe us. Thanks for watching.